Laws began with a bang when the universe sprang into existence. Laws not made by man, but laws that we realized were already here, that people would observe, study, and share. Laws made by nature, these unwritten laws that affect every life on these waters and shores, would guide us and shape us, help form how we grow, how we feel, how we act, think, and store what we know. As we evolved into people diverse, we formed many cultures and wandered this earth, sharing knowledge through stories, through dance and through song, learning rules as we played, helping us get along. In the Fertile Crescent, families settled to stay, sowing seeds of abundance in a most sacred way. Yes, travelling families that once foraged for food would settle and farm as communities grew. Unwritten rules were the first laws we had, like the rules that are spoken by mums, carers, dads. Have you broken these rules? Did you pay the price? Do you think that these rules treat you fairly in life? As families fought for land, the winners took captives. Slavery became normal as families adapted to in-prison captives as slaves duty-bound, sowing seeds for their masters. But what would prevail? Some families would farm the fields with their slaves. Some families would harm them, degrade and displace. Cultures morphed and grew in the Fertile Crescent. Some ways were fair, some wholly unpleasant. And so, as these families that settled grew bigger, so did the distance between speaker and listener. Until the day dawned when laws became written on tablets of clay, changing oral traditions of people remembering all that had been through speaking and song round the fire that gleamed. Fierce, forceful families fought fight after fight. To remain in power, they stole with their might much of the land that was once shared by all. We are kings, royal gods, men of war that must rule. Hierarchical structures poured wealth to their hands, as cities were built, declared civilized lands, in which law and order was enforced and upheld by kings, judges, governments, and soldiers as well. But were these laws fair to both men and to women? What civilized laws were written in the beginning? And just what is civilized? What does that word mean? What civilized laws throughout time have we seen? Let's look at some laws and vote if you feel that these laws are civilized, made up, or real.